If your iPhone 17 is running low on storage, one of the easiest ways to free up space without losing your data is by offloading apps. This feature removes the app itself, but keeps its documents and settings intact, so you can reinstall it later and pick up right where you left off. Here's how to offload apps manually. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. You'll see a list of all your installed apps and how much space each one takes up. Find the app you want to offload, let's use Spotify for this example, and tap it. On the app's details page, tap Offload App. A prompt will appear explaining that this will delete the app but keep its data. Tap Offload App again to confirm. The app will now be removed from your iPhone, freeing up its storage. If you want the app back at a later time, simply tap its icon on your home screen. Your iPhone will re-download and reinstall it automatically, restoring all your saved data as long as the app is still available in the App Store. Now, if you'd like your iPhone 17 to manage this process automatically, you can enable automatic offloading for unused apps. This is perfect if you often download large apps but don't use them regularly. To do this, go back to Settings, then scroll down and tap Apps. Then tap App Store from the list of apps. Once you're there, scroll down to find Offload Unused Apps. Toggle the switch next to it to turn the feature on. When enabled, iOS 26 will automatically remove apps you haven't used in a while whenever your storage is low, but it won't delete any of your personal data or documents. When you reinstall the app later, everything will be restored as before. And that's it. You've now learned how to manually offload apps or let your iPhone 17 handle it automatically. It's a great way to save space while keeping your important data safe. If this video helped you free up storage and make your iPhone 17 run smoother, give it a like and check out our other tutorials to learn more smart ways to manage your new iPhone. Thanks for watching.